Most electric kitchen gadgets look impressive, but many of them just take up space and barely get used. So today, I found 12 electric kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are actually worth buying. Some of these can save you a lot of time while cooking, and one of them feels like a tiny kitchen robot. But trust me, you'll definitely want to see gadget number 4. Upgrade your food prep with the 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it slices, shreds, dices, and strips vegetables in seconds. Built for both home kitchens and commercial use, this food processor saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers consistent, professional results every time. Enjoy versatile cooking with Aroma Houseware's essentials. The ASP610 dual-sided Shabu hot pot features a 5-quart stainless steel design, perfect for shared meals with 2 flavors at once. Pair it with the 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked rice cooker, a compact multi-cooker and steamer ideal for everyday rice, soups, and more, all in one convenient kitchen setup. Grind your herbs, spices, and coffee quickly and efficiently with the Cool Night electric herb grinder. With a large 7.5 capacity chamber and fast motor, it delivers consistent, fine results every time. Built-in pollen catcher ensures no waste, while the durable design makes it easy to use and clean, perfect for kitchens, bars, and anyone who loves fresh, flavorful ingredients. Make fun, homemade treats with the mini donut maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring 2 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Make fresh peanut butter at home with the 2025 electric nut butter maker. Powerful grinding turns nuts and sesame into smooth sauce in minutes. Easy to install, easy to use, with a stable non-slip base for safe, mess-free operation. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen electric Shabu pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable non-stick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Brew with precision using this electric gooseneck kettle featuring 5 temperature control presets for perfect coffee and tea every time. The 1200W heating element quickly boils up to 0.8 liters, while the 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom ensure pure taste and durability. Designed with a precision gooseneck spout, it delivers smooth, controlled pouring for flawless pour-over brewing. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Create fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Featuring adjustable time and temperature controls, it helps produce trillions of live probiotics for maximum health benefits. The 2 1-quart containers allow you to make larger batches, including thick Greek yogurt. Easy to use and built to last with an ultimate lifetime warranty. Enjoy restaurant-style barbecue at home with the Cuisinmax smokeless indoor grill. Powered by a strong 1500W heating system, it cooks fast with less smoke and less mess. The LED smart display gives you precise temperature control, while the tempered glass lid locks in flavor. With non-stick, removable grill and griddle plates, cleanup is quick and easy. Perfect for Korean barbecue, steaks, and everyday indoor grilling. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel. Fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Create endless frozen treats at home with the Ninja CRME Scoop Swirl Ice Cream Maker. With 13-in-1 programs, it makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more. The Scoop Swirl handle lets you customize texture and toppings, while 2 included 16-ounce pints make sharing easy. Creamy, smooth, and made your way every time. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place.